Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the price rounding feature in vitepos. If you're new to the channel, we kindly invite you to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the vitepos admin panel and go to the Settings module. Then, click on the Basic Settings tab. Scroll down until you find the Enable Order Total Rounding option just below the tax calculation method settings. By default, this option is disabled. Click the switch to enable it. Once enabled, you'll see two rounding options for the total price. Standard price round. This means amounts are rounded to the nearest whole number using standard rounding rules. Values ending in 0.5 or higher are rounded up, while anything below 0.5 is rounded down. Conditional price round. This follows a custom method. Here, values ending in 0.5 remain unchanged, amounts below 0.5 are rounded down, and anything above 0.5 is rounded up. For this example, we'll select the standard price round option and save the settings. Now let's see it in action. Navigate to the pause panel and select a few items. In our example, the total is $23, and we've applied a 2.3% fee, which adds 53 cents. Since this amount is above 0.5, it will be rounded up by 47 cents, making the final total $24. Note, if the fee were below 0.5, the system would round down instead. Now go ahead and complete the order. And as you can see, the total amount is $24 on the receipt. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share for more updates. Thanks for watching.